Hello everyone, I am Sabina. Today's subject is literacy skill of class LKG. I hope you find in the earlier class what we have done, the vowel O, special letter vowel O. So today we will do the last special letter vowel U. As you know, there are 5 special letter A, E, I, O, U. We have done the letter vowel A, vowel E, vowel I, vowel O in the last class, and today we will do the vowel U, the last special letter. Okay, so take out your book, Coral book, literacy skill, page number 2020, the last vowel U. So read, look aloud. Okay, so we have to read and look the word that are given that have the vowel U. So how the sound of the vowel U come? It will be the sound of A. Okay, so let's see. B-U-G, bug, ugh. A sound is coming. Okay, ugh, B-U-G, bug, ugh. Okay, a sound is coming again. So J-U-G, jug, R-U-G, rug, P-U-G, pug, M-U-G, mug, D-U-G, dug. See, I have written all the words in the blackboard also. So I will teach you from the blackboard. It is more easier. Okay, the sound of U is pronounced like A. Okay, you will say that man, A is the sound of A and U is also the sound of A. Yes, but the difference is sometimes it is sound of A, U like this. Okay, when if you have seen the word Y-O-U, then the vowel O and U is coming. Okay, so the pronunciation is U only. Means this U only is the pronunciation. Okay, so this is the different thing, but here the vowel U sound is coming like A. Okay, so remember that only. So the first is B-U-G, bug, G-U-G, J-U-G, jug, R-U-G, rug, P-U-G, pug, M-U-G, mug, D-U-G, duck, B-U-T, butt, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut, C-U-T, cut. A sound is coming. If you listen carefully, the A sound is coming again and again in the vowel U. G-U-T, gut, M-U-T, mutt, F-U-N, fun, B-U-N, bun, S-U-N, sun, R-U-N, run, G-U-N, gun, N-U-N, none, G-U-N, gum, S-U-N, sum, M-U-M, mum, H-U-M, hum. The A sound is coming again and again. When you pronounce the word again and again, then you will get it the sound and the pronunciation. Okay? Okay, now turn your page number 2121. Now we will try to write the vowel use word, sound word. Okay, so read, trace and write. As we have done earlier also, we have to read, trace and write the word. So the first word is B-U-G, bug. So let's see, B-U-G, bug is given in the grayer part. Is the grayer part we have to trace, and in the blank part we have to write. J-U-G, jug, J-U-G, jug, R-U-G, rug, F-U-N, fun, D-U-N, bun, S-U-N, sun, M-U-M, mum, S-U-M, sum, G-U-M, gum. Okay, the sound of U is coming up. Okay, so we will write. So start writing. C. J-U-G, jug. So trace the word first. J-U-G, jug. Now do the same thing. J-U-G, jug. As you say, the pronunciation get more clear. Okay, so try to say again and again. F-U-N, fun. So F-U-N, fun. Now we will write the same thing and pronounce the same thing again. So the pronunciation get more clear. F U N, fun. The next one is S-U-M, sum. So S-U-M, sum. Again all the words are in small letter. That's why we are writing in small letter only. S-U-M, sum. Try to write and read again and again so the pronunciation get more clear to you. Okay. Complete the page number 21 like this. Whole page you have to write and trace and read. Read again and again. The more you read, the more clear your pronunciation will get. Okay. Turn page number 22. Today, now we will do the activity. Till now we have done the word that have vowel U sound. Now we will do the activity of the same. Fill in the blanks to complete the word. See, the picture is given and some incomplete letters are given. So we have to put some letter and fill the word. Okay, so see what is the first picture? It is the bathtub. Okay, we bath in the tub. In this tub we take a bath. So what is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. So in the missing letter what will you write? T. The next one is the small kid of a tiger. Okay, so what is the small kid of tiger is called? It is called cub. So C-U-B, cub. See, this is the jug. It is full of some juice. Okay, so J-U-G, jug. In this we drink tea, right? So it is the cup. C-U-P, cup. It is the bird. You know, bird is called when flower does not bloom fully. It is called the bird. Okay, so what is the spelling of bird? B-U-D, bird. This is the school bus. So B-U-S, bus. This one is hut, H-U-T, hut. The next one is walnut, but it is called here is nut only, N-U-T, nut. And the other one is bug, B-U-G, bug. It is full name is ladybug. We called it ladybug, but here only B-U-G, bug is given only. Okay, so we will write the spelling in the blackboard. I have drawn some pictures for you. Let's see. So this is the cup. So what will you write in the given blank? Only P. C-U-P, cup. And write in small alphabet only. In small form. Okay. The next one is jug. J-U-G, jug. The next one is hat. H-U-T, hat. You have to write only single letter. Okay, the next one is nut, N-U-T, nut. Okay, the next one is bird, B-U-D, bird. And the last one is B-U-G, bug. Okay, it is also called ladybug, but here we call only bug only, B-U-G, bug. You see, each and every word has the vowel letter U. Okay, I hope you have clear. So learn all the word carefully, pronounce again and again so that you can get clear about the pronunciation of the vowels. I hope you will understand all the word again and again when you read it. Thank you.